Yo, so what's up, beautiful people? It's your boy Daniel Anthony, and I'm back once again. This video is gonna be a very straight to the point video. This is an introduction to video editing. I know you say, "Hey, Daniel, why are you telling us about video editing?" Well, from now henceforth, we have rebranded, and we now have a new purpose as to what this channel focuses on. We are still in the make money online niche, but now we have decided to narrow down on some of the sub niches in the make money online niche, and this will, demand us to, focus on the utilities of digital skill for making money online and building a sustainable stream of income that is capable to last for a lifetime. As a professional in my field, I decided to, pick out some of these unique sub niches that can actually help us, scale our online business even to a level where it will remain sustainable over time. And I came to realize that nobody actually makes money online sustainably without a digital skill. Yes, you can quote me anywhere. Nobody will make money online sustainably without a digital skill. Anybody is capable of making money online, though. You can maybe trade crypto, you can trade forex, but it's not a sustainable way of making money online. And now I came to realize that one of the easiest way to make money online sustainably, although it's not easy, you still need to put in the work, you still need to put in the grind, is to actually take advantage of the world of digital content creation and some other stuffs, which will demand you to, acquire a digital skill. And you acquiring a digital skill, you have to acquire a digital skill that is on high demand. You don't just, pick up any digital skill and expect it to help you make money sustainably. No, there are ones that is capable of, standing the test of fate. And one of them happens to be video editing. So that's why I have actually picked video editing as the base foundation of our YouTube channel from now henceforth. Video editing actually is simple. Video editing is basically the rearrangement and reorganizing of video shots to, maybe create movie, television shows, video advertisements, and so on and so forth. So it's a work of art. You have to be creative if you are a video editor. I've been a video editor for the past 3 years, and video editing have actually helped me scale my content creation and my online business to the level it is now. That's why I'm advising all of my audience that now we have to focus on video editing. And the reason why we are focusing on video editing is to scale, and not just to scale sustainably. I know that the big question now is, hey Daniel, now you're advising us to go for video editing in order to start making money online sustainably. How will this work? Well, it works in some basic steps that is also complicated and need explanation. The first thing is for you to learn the video editing skill first. Although at the basics of video editing, you can learn it in a day, 2, or a week, depending on how smart you are. But the professional level of video editing can take you a year, 2 years, or even more. Like you keep on, coming up with new ideas. That's why I said it's a work of art. You have to be creative. It has to do with creativity. So all you need first of all is to get a very good laptop. Yeah, you have to get a very good laptop that will power the video editing software. Then after getting your good laptop, you get the video editing software. The video editing software that I strongly recommend is the Adobe Premiere Pro. That's the video editing software I use. It is an industry recommended video editing software. If you want to become a video editor, you have to go for Adobe Premiere Pro. So after you might have gotten your laptop and now you have your Adobe Premiere Pro software installed in your laptop or in your computer, now the next step will be learning how to use your video editing software. After you must have mastered how to use your video editing software, what is now the next step? How can you now start making money online sustainably with this video editing software? Well, it's very simple. There are so many ways to make money online as a video editor. You can become a YouTube content creator just like me. If you all know now, in our modern day, the age of video content is taking over. Although there are other forms of digital content that do not require the skill of a video editor, but now the world prefer to consume video content more than any other form of content because of the viewing pleasure that video content do come with. Now, digital content creators have, taken advantage of the video content creation industry with their video editing skill, and they are making cool cash from it. As you all know, YouTubers make cool cash. Facebook page content creators make cool cash. And they are all doing this thing with their video editing skill. You see? So it's very necessary and it's very crucial you go for video editing. You can become a YouTube content creator with your video editing skill. In fact, video editing is the engine room of YouTube content creation. If you are a YouTube content creator and you do not know how to edit YouTube videos, I'm not sure you are yet a YouTube content creator, so you must learn how to edit videos. And that's for that. And you can equally render freelance services. So many people come onto my, DM and ask me, hey Daniel, how can you actually make money from freelancing? Nobody makes money online as a freelancer without a digital skill. And one of the most scalable digital skill as a freelancer is video editing. If you're very good with video editing, you keep on landing yourself jobs in the freelancing industry over and over again. And you can even take your video editing skill offline. You understand? It now give you a double-edged sword to cut with. You can take your video editing skill offline and make money with it offline. You can edit video for friends, you can edit video for parties, weddings, funerals, and so on and so forth. So the opportunity that video editing actually comes with is numerous. And that's why I'm actually introducing it to you on this channel. The previous video I dropped on this channel was about our rebranding, our purpose of rebranding, the reason why we are rebranding. Now we want to focus on making money online, but not just making money online sustainably for a lifetime. Yeah, I know you watching this video, you like to make money, you like to make money today, you like to make money tomorrow, and you like to make money a day after tomorrow. You see the point now? So anybody that wants to make money and keep on making money will definitely look out for a sustainable stream of income, not just a stream of income, a sustainable one. The one that will make you money even when you are at sleep, the one that will make you money even while you are on vacation. So that's how this thing actually works. So guys, it's video editing we are focusing on now. We have made video editing the base foundation of our YouTube channel. Then we'll now transcend into, content creation with our video editing skill. Then we'll also look out to, establishing our presence on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and the rest of them. We'll have broader opportunities of, scaling this, business. So that's it, guys. It's video editing from now henceforth on our YouTube channel. My name is Suleiman Daniel Anthony. Until we meet again, I just have to say I love you all. But for now, bye-bye and peace.